If you have a look at our TypeScript file here, our component.ts file, and by the way, do not worry if you don't know TypeScript. I'll keep you right, it's all going to be fine. Anyway, you'll see a thing here that's called selector, and it says in this case app-book. Now, this is the component selector tag. If we open up our browser and we have a look at our app that is hopefully being served up, you'll probably see a page that looks something like this. Now, this is coming from our app.component.html file, which will be something like this. And can you believe it? We can head in here and add in component tags. So let's say this one here, app-book, right? If I take that, copy it and add it in here like this, okay, and save that, and then start up our app with ng-serve. And if we look at the page, it's compiling. Okay, and do you see how it says book works? And if we have a look at our book.component.html file, sure enough, the HTML's here. And if you change that, it will change on the page as well. Now, you can add as many of those component selector tags onto a page as you would like. It's entirely up to you, and I hope you'll agree it's quite easy. I apologise for this video being over 1 minute, but I just couldn't fit this one in any shorter, and I think it is quite an important one. So apologies for that, and I do look forward to the next video where I'll try very hard to keep the thing under 1 minute. Catch you later.